of a 240-meter wide mountain, already cut 14 meters across the 9 meters deep, is in full swing as rubble is cleared and power foundations are sunk to anchor two trumpet interchanges at either end of the Christmas Pass bypass road. This ambitious project is designed to enhance road safety and streamline transport efficiency in Mutare. First proposed in 1992, the bypass will skirt through Feruka on the outskirts of Mutare's central business district, carrying haulage trucks along the Beira corridor en route to Mozambique's port of Beira, as well as Zambia, Malawi, and the Democratic Republic of Congo.
Construction of Mutare Christmas Bypass Road is ongoing, with all activities being carried out concurrently. Right now where we are, this is the beginning of the project at Chainage Zero. And what we want to basically do is to solve the conflict for traffic to move smoothly by introducing an interchange. And the traffic that is going to be traveling from Harare to Mutare is not going to be affected. But only the traffic that is going to be affected, which are going to be using this route, are the heavy vehicles that we want to divert from our Harare-Mutare highway to use this other route, as well as some of the vehicles that will that want to enter the other location, or maybe some of the vehicles that will be going to the Grand Reef Airport.
So panapa pachawakwa inonzi trumpet interchange kana kuti inonzi nevanhu trabablas. So ichave ine 5 ramps. So ramp number 5 ndo iri kumashure kwangu inopindira nepa Romeo. Iyo ichabatsira matrucks anenge achibva kunyanga nekupenalonga achida kupinda town, saka vanotenera ipapapo. Then kumberi kwangu kune ramp 4 inenge ichishandiswa nematrucks anenge achibva kwaMutare achida kuenda kuHarare. Then to this side of the mountain, ramp 3 inoshandiswa nematrucks ari kubva kuHarare achida kuenda kwaMutare. Saka ndo pane the overhead bridge yacho ichajoinirwa nepanapa. So kune vanhu vakatravela last week pane chimwe chimeshini chakareba so chinonzi drill rig chaidrilla maholes ekuisa inonzi pile foundation. Saka to the left side of the main road kwakaiswa 12 piles, the other side as well yakaiswa 12 piles. Saka panotanga paiswa inonzi pile foundation, then after mapiles pachaiswa inonzi pile cap, then after pile cap pachayama inonzi mapiers, then after mapiers ndo panozoya the top bridge structure. Parizvino tiri kuAdha kuGrand Reef tichiita project yeChristmas Bypass project pachainage 1+00, that's 1 kilometer from Romeo. Panapa tine gombo rakafara 200 meters and rakareba about 11 meters. So far tablasta tichishandisa explosive about 9 meters. Saka explosives atinoshandisa tinomashandisa maybe once or twice a week because pane active road inenge ichienda kuairport, saka we need to be careful kuti tinoblasta nguwai. So blasting yedu inoitwa nguwa dzekuti vana vechikoro havachaendi kuchikoro uye vanhu vabvawo kuairport.
All works are in progress and all works are being carried out concurrently, and we are now at 36%. And we look forward to finishing this project by mid-year next year in 2027.